Guys, I hope you have been well. It's another new video, another new episode by Decor by Essy here. I'm an interior designer, a DIYer, anything home decor, home improvement, interior design, e-design, mood boards, everything. And today's episode, guys, I really love this because it's a home improvement. We are going to be doing a living room makeover for my friend's house, and one thing she wanted is she needed her home and her living space to feel cozy, to feel warm, to feel inviting, and that's what we will be doing in this video. So we'll be scouting for lights and getting new lights fixed. We're going to be scouting for decor pieces that are going to bring color and just going with the theme of the color palette that we are going for. So I'll be showing you snippets of where we got the items. I'll also link in the description down below every page, every place that we got the items from. We visited TAC, we visited Tungsten Electricals, I visited Smart Lady Homes and Mayback Home Decor. So these are some places that, just to mention a few, where we got a few of the items, and I can't wait to take you through the process and just show you how the house looks and feels right now. So this living room makeover, it's just a phase one. There is still a lot to be done. We're going to be changing up the dining space, bringing a new console, changing up the carpets and all that. So please, guys, join us in this journey in the living room makeover. I will call this one a phase one because we'll also be having a phase two and probably then a phase three. So guys, come along with me and let's decorate this home. So the first place we got to was Tungsten Electricals. They are located at RNG Towers, and we wanted to find some lightings which I've been seeing on the Instagram. They have a variety of lightings and also even sockets. So we wanted to go with the theme of gold, and here I really loved these three lightings. And then also we were thinking of this one, which it's like a parallel of lights. And then yeah, we were thinking of settling also with this one again for the sitting room. So all of them, they have like a gold shimmer in them. We also wanted one for the entryway, so I was thinking of that one. And I was also wanting to have another smaller lighting which is fancy, so I thought of this one. And yeah, and then also we came up with, because we are going with a gold theme, also the sockets, we wanted to change them to gold. So that's what we are doing here, just like checking the lights and getting the lights that we like. So as we continue with the video, you will see what we are going to install. So during the installation day, Tungsten came to do the installation. So they sent someone to come and do the installation. So these are the lights that have been installed, and this is the light that we went with for the sitting room. I really love the light. It's an LED light, so you get to have 3 different settings. You can get a warm light, a white light, and also the bright light. Yeah, and then for the dining, we went with these 3 pieces. So for the sockets, we also changed them to gold sockets, and they look really nice. I love how just something small can change a place. So at least now the room has the golden theme, because our theme for this living room is it's a beach vibe. It's a beach vibe, and I'll put a photo up here to just show you what we are going with. So yeah, this is how the house looks, and I love the lighting. Yeah, so then we went for shopping for throw pillows. We wanted to bring some texture to the space, some color, some warmth, and a good way of doing this is bringing throw pillows into the space. So I went to Mayback Home with my friend, and we just looked at different color palettes we checked our color palette and just seeing how can we incorporate some color. So we wanted wanted to incorporate some tones of blue, some tones of yellow, and some textures, different textures. So throw pillows are the best way to do that. Sorry for the flickering of the lights. I don't know why when I was shooting there was just that flick of light, but again, Maybach home decor, they have a variety, guys. If I tell you a variety, I mean it. Like all colors you would think of in your house. So if you want throw pillows, throw covers, just check them out. They're in town. Then we went to shop for throw blankets because we didn't get we didn't get what we wanted at Maybach Home. They still had them, but at Home Decor 254, they had a variety. So we went there to get some throw blankets. As you can see, they have a variety of colors. And what I tell you guys, this throw blanket is soft like a baby. So we took this color because it is part of our color palette. And also we took a few rugs here for another project that will be coming soon. So I loved this throw blanket. So this is what we took. After that, we moved to Smart Lady Home. They're at H&H Towers, and also you can find them on Instagram if you like. So I like to visit the shop. So we wanted a macrame yarn. We wanted also some toilet mats as well, and also we got a few throw pillow covers as well here. As you can see, they have an array of them, and also they have the baskets, these baskets that you use to maybe to style a place. Yeah, so you can check them out as well. Then we went for window shopping. At this point we didn't get anything yet at Art Plaza. We wanted to see the frames they have, the kind of frames. As you can see, they have a variety of frames which they can customize for you, but I really wanted to see a place where you can get maybe art and gallery wall items. Then I also wanted to incorporate a plant, and what better place to get a plant than along James Gishuru. So we went along James Gishuru and got a very cute plant. Then just along James Gishuru, we also went to TAC, and I wanted some art paintings, which I loved these ones. So in TAC we also got a mirror, and you'll get to see it later. So this is how the pillows look in the house. Wow, guys, when I tell you texture, they bring the texture into the room. As you can see, I've layered different textures and different colors as well. So just pairing them together. So for now, we have paired 2, and there's also a center one, which is the small one. And then I've also layered there the throw pillow that we got. So our color palette is brown. It has yellow tones. It also has this turquoise blue tone as well. So these pillows, throw pillows, really came through, and they blend in so well with the place. We also got the plant, which you're going to see. I think you've just seen a snippet of it, but you'll see it even in full. It brings the greenery into the space. We also have different art paintings in this home. So some of them we changed the one that was on top of the sitting area. So we got that one from TAC, and then the one that was there previously in the house, we are going to move it in the dining area, and that one I think my friend got it at House of Leather. So this is how the lighting looks. The curtains have a shade of brown. There is also the shade of gold from the lighting, and I really love how it turned out. Guys, please let me know in the comment section below what you think of this living room makeover.
So when we enter the house, this is the lighting that you find in the entryway. Then we have this cute mirror from tack, and then the lightings, all of them are from tungsten, and I showed you how we got them and how we got to choose them. So this is how the lighting looks, and I really love them. I love this pair of the 3 lightings as well, just illuminating the light in the home. The art pieces, the 2 art pieces on top of the sitting couch, I really love them. We just found one, and then we found another one that almost matches the vibe at tack, and we were like, these are the ones that we are going for, and they just were part of the color palette we have in the house. So as you can see, the decor throw pillows, they look amazing, and they just bring that contrast and those different shades and different textures in the house. And the greenery, guys, wow, this plant is everything. I don't know what we would have done without it. So yeah, enjoy the video.
I hope guys you enjoyed this video. It was a video close to my heart. I love the items, the throw pillows. We got different textures, the lightings, they look amazing there. And you know, there are LED lights which give you the different warm tones in the house, so you can according to your feeling, according to how you want the mood to be like, so you can also change up the warmth in the house. So I really love that, and we'll be incorporating, as I said before, a few more things. So this is just a living room makeover one, so watch out for the next one. And if you haven't joined our Decor by Essy family, please hit the subscribe button below, like this video, and share it widely. Cheers and have a lovely week. See you in the next one. Bye.